Hello and welcome back to Success Spot. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: 10 tips for becoming a top student, how to study effectively. We understand that excelling in your studies is a goal many of you aspire to, so we're here to help you achieve just that. Whether you're in high school, college, or any other level of education, these tips are designed to help you ace your studies and become a top student. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. The first step to becoming a top student is setting clear academic goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve in your studies, whether it's acing a particular course, maintaining a high GPA, or earning a scholarship. Then, break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. By doing so, you'll have a clear sense of direction and motivation to push forward. Tip number 2. Create a study schedule. Organize your time efficiently by creating a study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic, and make sure to stick to your schedule. Consistency is key to academic success. A well-structured routine not only ensures that you cover all your subjects, but also helps you avoid last-minute cramming. Tip number 3. Find your ideal study environment. Everyone has a different ideal study environment. Some people thrive in complete silence, while others need some background noise. Experiment and find what works best for you to maximize your concentration and productivity. This may involve finding a quiet spot in the library or setting up a comfortable study nook at home. Tip number 4. Active learning techniques. Active learning engages your brain more effectively than passive reading. Try techniques like summarizing, teaching the material to someone else, or using flashcards to reinforce your understanding of the subject matter. Engaging with the material in various ways helps solidify your knowledge. Tip number 5. Take effective notes. Good note-taking skills are crucial. Develop your own shorthand and symbols for faster, more efficient note-taking. Consider using digital tools or handwritten notes based on your preference. Color coding and creating clear headings can also make your notes more organized and easily digestible. Tip number 6. Use online resources wisely. Utilize online resources such as educational websites, video tutorials, and online courses to supplement your learning. The internet is a treasure trove of information, but remember, don't get lost in the endless sea of content. Stay focused on your curriculum and use these resources strategically. Tip number 7. Seek help. When needed, don't be afraid to ask for help when you're struggling with a particular topic. Whether it's a teacher, a tutor, or a study group, seeking assistance can make a significant difference in your understanding of the material. Collaboration and discussion often lead to deeper comprehension. Tip number 8. Stay organized. A cluttered study space can lead to distractions and hinder productivity. Keep your study area organized and free from distractions to maintain your concentration. Invest in tools like desk organizers, folders, and planners to keep your materials and schedule in order. Tip number 9. Practice time management. Time management is crucial for balancing your academic and personal life. Learn to prioritize tasks and eliminate time-wasting activities to make the most of your study time. Techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves short, focused study intervals, can help boost productivity. Tip number 10. Take care of your well-being. Lastly, remember that taking care of your physical and mental well-being is vital for academic success. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, exercise regularly, and manage stress effectively. A healthy body and mind are the foundation of your academic success. Becoming a top student isn't just about studying harder. It's about studying smarter. By following these 10 tips and integrating them into your study routine, you can enhance your study habits, boost your academic performance, and work your way towards the top of your class. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.